Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve the problems in exercise number 3.3 of trigonometry. So before solving the exercise problems, we see the basic formulas involved in the chapter. So the first set of formulas, sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. If you get plus sign here, you will get minus. If it is minus, if it is plus, this is plus sign. So this is plus is same as plus, minus same as minus. Similarly, the second set of formulas. So from the above formulas, you can get the all four formulas. On adding the first and second results, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, these two terms will get cancelled. We will get 2 sin A cos B. Similarly, on subtracting 1 minus 2, first minus 2, we will get sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. And cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Third and fourth formulas on adding, you will get 2 cos A cos B. On subtracting, you will get minus 2 sin A sin B. So these formulas should keep in mind to solve the problems. I will give another set of problems, third set also. So another set of formulas, third one, sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And last one, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. If you will get 2 cos terms plus sin, then you will get 2. The resultant will contain 2 cos terms, cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. We will get minus symbol on the left hand side. It is minus of 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So please all of you keep these formulas in mind to solve the problems in exercise number 3.3. Right? First problem, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we know that the values for sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is equal to sin 30, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, cos pi by 3, cos 60. Cos 60 also we know that it is half. And tan pi by 4, that is equal to 1. We know the values. So sin square pi by 6, that is 1 by 2 whole square, plus cos square pi by 3, that is 1 by 2 whole square, minus 1. I am considering the left hand side part. This is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. It is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 2 by 4, or 1 by 2 minus 1. 1/4 plus 1/4, half 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, which is the required RHS. Second problem, prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So first see the values involved in this equation, in this left hand side part. So we know that we have sin pi by 6, that is sin 30, that is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, cosecant 7 pi by 6, this I can write it as cosecant pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6. 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6 means it will come in the third quadrant. This is the third quadrant. This is 180 degrees. This is 90. This is 0. This is 270 or this is 360. Right? So 180 plus theta means it will come in the third quadrant. So in the first quadrant all are positive. In the second quadrant sine and cosecant are positive. In the third quadrant tan and cot are positive. In the fourth quadrant cos and secant. These two are the positive items. Here cosecant 7 pi by 6 can be written as cosecant 180 plus pi by 6. That will come in the third quadrant. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive. So cosecant will get cosecant and pi by 6 with the negative sign. With the negative sign, minus cosecant pi by 6. So this is nothing but, what is minus 1 by sine pi by 6. So what is sine pi by 6? 1 by 2. So this is equal to minus 2. The second value is minus 2. And the third value, what is the third value? Other. So next value, cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3, it is also 1 by 2. Sin pi by 6, cos pi by 3. So now on considering the LHS left hand side part, 2 sin square pi by 6. 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 2 into sin pi by 6, 1 by 2 whole square plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6, that is minus 2 whole square into cos square pi by 3, that is 1 by 2 whole square. This is 2 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4. That is 2 by 4, 1 by 2, and this is plus 1. So 1 and a half and this is 3 by 2. That is the required solution, RHS. So third problem, prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. So first write the values. What is cot pi by 6? Cot pi by 6, that is 1 by tan pi by 6. That is 1 by tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. That is equal to root 3. Cot pi by 6 value, root 3. You can write directly also. Just I am writing tan value and then I am writing next cosecant 5 pi by 6. So this I can write it as pi minus pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6. So 180 minus theta, that will come in the second quadrant. This is pi, 0, pi by 2. So this is second quadrant. In second quadrant sine and cosecant both are positive. So cosecant will get same as cosecant pi by 6 and will get plus sine. Cosecant pi by 6. This is 1 by sine pi by 6. So 1 by 2. Sin pi by 6 means 1 by 2 or the value is equal to 2. Just I am writing the value separately and then substitute. So next tan pi by 6. What is tan pi by 6? Tan 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Now consider the left hand side part. The values are cot square pi by 6 root 3 whole square plus cosecant 5 pi by 6, that is 2 plus 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square, that is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6, which is the required solution. Fourth problem, prove that 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. So if as usual, first see the values involved in the given left hand side term. So first one we have sin 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4 can be written as Sin pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. So sin 180 minus theta. So that will come in the second quadrant, sine and cosecant positive. Right, this is 90, this is 180. 180 minus theta will come in the second quadrant. Here all positive, here sine and cosecant are positive. So sin pi minus pi by 4, same as sin pi by 4 plus sine. Sin pi 180 degrees means you will get the same term, sine as same as sine, cos as same as cos, cosecant as same as cosecant, like that. And 180 minus theta. So this will come in the second quadrant. Their sine and cosecant are positive. So I will get plus sine. So this is 1 by root 2 sin pi by 4. Similarly cos pi by 4. This is 1 by root 2. We know that. Cos 45. Next secant pi by 3. Secant pi by 3 means 1 by cos pi by 3. That is 1 by 2. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So this is equal to 2. Therefore LHS implies 2 into sine square 3 pi by 4, 1 by root 2 whole square, plus 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square, plus 2 into 2 square. This is 2 into 1 by 2, plus 2 into 1 by 2, plus 2 into 4. So this is 1, this is also 1, this is 4 to 8. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. That is the required solution. Find the value of first one sine 75 degrees and second one is tan 15 degrees. Solution: sine 75 degrees can be written as sine 45 plus 30. I can write sine 75 as sine 45 plus 30. So we know that sine A plus B formula. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Already I have given before solving the exercise problems. So just I expand that, sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Similarly second term plus cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So LCM same. In the numerator root 3 plus 1 by denominator 2 root 2. That is the required solution. Similarly second problem, tan 15 degrees. So tan 15 can be written as 45 minus 30. That will be in the formula tan A minus B. Tan A minus B means tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So, applying the formula, tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. So, now just substitute the values. Tan 45 1, tan 30 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 again 1, tan 30 that is 1 by root 3. So in the LCM, root 3 LCM, in the numerator part root 3 minus 1 by root 3, in the denominator root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. The solution is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, which is the required solution. Sixth problem, prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. So it looks like cos A, cos B, we have cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. It looks like the formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This I can write it as cos A plus B. We know that cos A plus B is nothing but cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this is A, this is angle B, this is A, this is B. So you can write the LHS part as cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to cos A plus B. So A means here pi by 4 minus x and B means pi by 4 minus y. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4 or pi by 2. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 means this is pi by 2. 2 1/4 of pi's, that is nothing but half of pi. Pi by 2 minus of x plus y. I'm taking out minus symbol. We'll get 90 minus pi by 2 minus x plus y. So cos 90 minus theta, it looks like cos 90 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to first quadrant. Pi by 2 minus theta means first quadrant. This is sin theta. In the first quadrant all are positive. Cos will get sin because it is pi by 2 multiple sin theta. So here it is a sin theta means x plus y. So that is sin x plus y, which is the required solution. So problem number 7. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. So before that I will give the formula. What is tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Similarly, tan A minus B, that is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So these two are the formulas which we are going to use in this problem. So tan A plus B notation. So tan pi by 4, so I'm considering LHS part, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. In the denominator, tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Just formula substitution. So, but what we know that tan pi by 4 1. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x on the numerator part, because tan pi by 4 is equal to tan 45, that is equal to 1. So pi by 4 on substituting 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. So in the denominator also you will have 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 1, again it is tan x. So the fraction will become reciprocal on writing in numerator. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, or this is 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. That is the required solution. Problem. Prove that cos pi plus x into cos minus x by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. So first I will evaluate each term involved in this problem. So here cos pi plus x. Cos pi plus x means cos 180 plus x. Cos 180 plus x means that will come in the third quadrant. Here tan cot positive. Tan and cot. Here tan and cot are positive, remaining all are negative. So pi means the function will get the same function cos x with minus sign. 180 means you will get the same function, cos is same as cos x. Here in the third quadrant only tan cot are positive, cos is negative, so minus. And cos minus x, second term. Cos minus theta is cos theta, so the value cos x. And the third one, sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x means it will come in the second quadrant. So all here sine and cosecant are positive. Sine and cosecant are positive. Sine same as sine, and you will get positive sine here. And the last one, cos pi by 2 plus x. Cos pi by 2 plus x, that also come in the second quadrant. Here 0 to 90, here 90 to 180. So pi by 2 plus theta means that will come in the second quadrant. Here cos is negative, so minus sin x. Cos changes to sin because it is the multiple of pi by 2, sin x. So now the LHS part, LHS implies cos pi plus x is replaced by minus cos x, cos minus theta, that is cos x, by sin 180 minus theta, sin 180 minus x, that is sin x, into cos pi by 2 plus x, that is minus sin x. So in the numerator it is cos square x, minus minus gets cancelled, by sin square x. So cos by sin means it is cot square x. That is the required solution. So come to the problem number 9. Prove that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. So first see the terms involved in this and evaluate the values, 4 values. Here cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. 3 pi by 2 means 270 degrees. This is 3 pi by 2. This is pi. This is pi by 2. This is 0 or 2 pi. We know that this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. So 3 pi by 2 plus x means it will come in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x means cos changes to sin. It is a multiple of 90, odd multiple, so you will get sin x. And here cos and secant both are positive, so this value will become plus sin x. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, so odd multiple, cos changes to sin, pi by 2 odd multiple of sin x, and it will get plus sign because in the fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive terms. So similarly the second term cos 2 pi plus x, cos 2 pi plus x, that will come in the first quadrant, cos 360 plus theta. So here all are positive, all functions are positive, sin, cosecant, secant, cos, tan, cot, all are positive. Cos 2 pi plus x, so cos pi multiple means cos is same as cos, cos is same as cos x, and here you will get the plus symbol because all are positive in the first quadrant. Next one, coming to cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi by 2 minus x means that will come in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, remaining all are negative. So because it is cot, so you will get the plus sign. Cot changes to tan and x, tan x. It is odd multiple. Cos changes to sin. Cot changes to tan. So it is tan x. And the last one, cot 2 pi plus x. Cot 2 pi plus x will come in the first quadrant. So cot 2 pi is same as cot x plus symbol. So in substituting all the values, on the left hand side term you get LHS implies this is sin x first term and this is cos x. So the whole bracket it is tan x plus cot x. So this is equal to sin x into cos x. So in the bracket term we will get sin by cos, sin x by cos x plus cos x by sin x. So on simplifying in the bracket term, we will get sin x into cos x. So in the bracket the LCM is sin x into cos x. Sin cos x into cos x1, that is sin x, it is sin square x, am I right? Plus sin x1 sin x cos x, already cos x multiple cos square x. So this gets cancelled. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, which is the required solution, which is the RHS. You see the problem number 10, prove that sin n plus 1x into sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x into cos n plus 2x is equal to cos x. So here you can observe that sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. So we have the formula sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. So that is equal to cos A minus B formula. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this is, here A is equal to n plus 1x, B is equal to n plus 2x. So now I am considering LHS. It is cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x plus sin n plus 1x into sin n plus 2x. So it is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and this I can write it as cos A minus B. A means n plus 1 of x minus B means n plus 2 of x. So this is cos, so this is x, nx gets cancelled, nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. So this is cos x minus 2x, that is cos minus x, cos minus theta is equal to cos x, which is the required solution.